Well, good afternoon. It's January 28th, Sunday, and nope, sorry, it's January 27th, Sunday. Tomorrow is January 28th, Monday, the first day of our school week. And wanted to give you the usual rundown of what's coming up and reflect back on what we did. So this week you guys wrote your post about analyzing texts rhetorically and what is rhetorical analysis. Those were good, and hopefully you've seen the feedback, which is just like really brief. In most cases, I just wrote a sentence and let you know kind of what I thought of your topic, which in most cases I thought was really solid. In fact, I in all cases. Coming up tomorrow, actually, your rough drafts are due, so I'm just gonna scoot on down. You guys presumably read over the module overview for Module 4, which is this on Friday. If not, please give that a look so that you can be more confident about what this first essay is about. I really like reading about these different forms of appeals here. I feel that those are really good. There are some links here that I have open in other tabs that will explain a little bit and support the peer review process. So tomorrow, going back to our class activities checklist, so tomorrow you have your actual rough draft due to CD4, that's class discussion 4. And so the purpose of that discussion is to, for you to each upload your rough drafts and then for you to each reply. All right, so, and it says that you are to post, I'm looking to see if it's 2 or 3 responses. I'll figure that out here in a minute. Yes, you should post in your draft 3 classmates' rough drafts. So given that we are a very small class, I think that these peer reviews will be rich. I do think that there will end up being overlap where you're reviewing someone's and they're reviewing yours, and that's kind of nice. I feel like having that small, more workshop feel is nice. As you're doing this, you'll want to have the rhetorical analysis grading rubric open, and you'll want to keep these 3 things in mind. You're going to want to write your review in 1, 2, 3 parts. So you can just write number 1, content, and you find a strength related to the content. And then here's some questions for evaluation. Number 2, organization. Same thing. Find a strength, identify areas of need, and same with MLA and grammar. Peer review, a few notes, is another sort of bonus resource here that you can have to explain why we do peer review and how to do it well. Going back to our class activities checklist, so your review, your rough draft is due tomorrow, and your peer reviews are due Tuesday. And then we have a little bit of kind of a gap where things sort of piggyback. So you'll get those replies and the replies from me by Tuesday night, and then your final draft is due by Thursday night at midnight. And ladies, if you have a challenge getting that in by that exact deadline, and you think like, oh, Mrs. Martinson, I need this to be, I need to turn this in on Friday morning, that's going to make it a lot better, that's fine. Just let me know. Okay, so notice that it skips to Module 5, but we skip back in time. So January 30th is Wednesday, and so you're expected to read the Module 5 overview. All right, so basically Module 5 is getting us into our next essay. So this first one was an analysis, and the next one is an argument. You're going to write your own argument on a local topic. So it explains that more in the readings here. It gives you a nice sample outline and ideas of how to write good thesis statements. So coming up, I might be getting ahead of myself, but I thought I was going to get to Friday. Yes, okay. So Thursday, the essay is due, essay 1. And then Friday, this is a little bit different, but you have 2 first posts due. So you've got discussion 1, where you're just describing your topic. And this is in the Module 5 reading, but you're choosing a controversial subject on a local issue. So local to you. If you live in Tucson as well, it's local to me, but it should be local to wherever you live. And you're going to share about your topic ideas in Essay 2 Brainstorm First Post. And then in CD5B, you are going to come up with an argument-based thesis statement. So guidance for that is in the readings for Module 5. Over the weekend, then, coming up the following week is when you'll do your replies. So you see your reply is for essay, or for 5A is here, and 5B is here, both on the following Monday, February 4th. That's where we're going. And if you guys have any questions between at any point, please do email me. I'm very sorry. I think somebody had emailed me on Tuesday, and it took me forever. Maybe it was Wednesday. They emailed me Tuesday night, and then I didn't get back to them until Wednesday night, because that particular day I just happened to be have like wall-to-wall stuff going on. But usually I'll be able to get back to you in the early evening if you email me in the morning. All right, hope that you're all doing well, and I will see you online this week.